morning, Digifused Digimon. Tonight we're gonna draw gigawarumonzamon, Digifused form, from Digimon Fusion. This Digimon, gigawarumonzamon, first appeared in the Sweet Zone from Digimon Fusion. And, well, this guy is clearly one of the best Digimon cooks, the best Digimon chefs in the digital cosmos. He's actually a really nice guy. A bear dressed as a chef? That's the sweetest thing I've ever seen.
We'll be there. A wink and a smile and a great old time. You will be there. Wherever we are, there's some fun to be found. We'll be there when you turn that corner. We jump out the bush with a big bear and a smile. We'll be there.
You know what? On Digimon, Digifuse is like Mega Evolution for Digimon. I love it. Here's his cutter. Alexa, name a type of bear that lived during the Ice Age.
This might answer your question. Ursus speleus is a type of bear that lived during the Ice Age.
Here's the whisk. He's talking about the cave. There we go. There he is, everyone's favorite cave bear cook. A really great chef and a true hero. He and Spawnamon should be partners. To find out more about the cave bear, you can always visit Prehistoric Park. There are lots of adventures at Prehistoric Park, and you can learn more from there as well, from Prehistoric Park. This episode was brought to you by Prehistoric Park and the creators of Digimon Fusion. That's how I draw a gigawarumonzamon fused form. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.